Celebrate the warmth of the holidays with grateful gatherings. A keepsake journal for Thanksgiving or Christmas recipes.
From the day where I call am, my life don't change. Sickness disappear, blessings arrange. No matter the matter, he never fail. That name Jesus, they always prevail. From the day where I call am, my life don't change.
Beautifully bound keepsake recipe journal designed to preserve your family's most cherished dishes. With space for up to 20 treasured recipes, for recording grandma's famous stuffing, or new traditions you'll want to pass down for generations. For direct ordering, send your order request to queendombaskets@gmail.com. Thank you.